everyone, and welcome to the new year. I want to inform you that from now on, every in-house chain, bracelets, anklets, and waist chain you buy from us will come double electroplated, marked 750, and with pure gold hook. I know how my customers love it, and I love to come true. And guess what? The best part, all pendants will be marked 750 also. How amazing is that? So stay with us, anticipate beautiful designs. When I say beautiful, I mean amazing design. We've been working on it for the past 1 year, and we are ready to flood your timeline with beauty. So stay with us. If you're not following, make sure you follow us. Tell your friends and family about us. Don't hold this information. Share the love. Patronize us. Thank you for the love. Keep supporting us. God bless you.